Stupid monkey walking with my girlfriend Jenny. Anyway, we're out in Hell Canyon. This is our wheeling area. And yesterday we got done making our little introduction video where you guys can meet Wild Child, Jen, and kind of get together some. We shot the video of Jen putting that front bumper and mounting the winch up and everything. What do you think about that, Jen?
It was good. It was good. It was hard when I hit the rust, but other than that, it was good.
Yeah. Well, are you liking the way the Jeep's looking so far?
Oh my god, it looks so good. Like, even if we didn't do anything else, it would be awesome.
Well, it's just going to keep on getting better, you know? Well, yeah, I just figured some of our, I don't know, could be viewers, maybe. I don't know, maybe if this thing ever takes off, somebody might enjoy looking and seeing what we got to offer here at Hog Canyon. And this is what you guys don't get to see because you don't live here. This is our wheeling area. Back up in that canyon is where we go normally. We're walking down here. It's actually pretty cool, huh? There's like a cave up there or something right there.
You can still see snow.
Oh, we still got snow on the ground, a little bit of mud. Super sandy out here. I mean, I've talked to people and I've heard people online giving reviews of Hog Canyon and whatnot. One of the biggest surprises was a lady in a JK said they hit Hog Canyon, went up to the Kanab Towers, and as soon as they turned on the trail, they soon found themselves in 4 low with their lockers on. Well, might want to air down your tires next time. That is my tip of the day.
Sand. Sand.
Sand, sand, and more sand. Air down your tires.
Air down your
float.
tires.
Yep. Anyway, we're going to get to building the rest of the Jeep today. Well, we're going to start, well, I think the plan for the day is we're going to do electrical and the rear bumper. And then see how we feel. Probably tomorrow get the lift done. But the plan for the day is definitely get the electrical done and the rear bumper. And maybe we'll go wheel. We'll see.
Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, Stupid Monkey and Jen back with you. So yesterday, as we talked about a little bit ago when we were on our hike, we did the front bumper. Well, not we. Well, I guess it was we, because I helped out. I had to. There's certain things that Jen just can't do by herself. So I couldn't do it by myself either. Anyway, so today we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna cover the rear bumper and electrical. So what's gonna happen on this? We're gonna grab this box right here, which is our rear hardware. And again, I forgot where I do with my knife. So this guy right here. So we're gonna lay out our hardware for this back bumper. It's going to be bolt flat washer, and then it's going to go through the bumper, and then you're going to go flat washer, lock washer, nut on these.
Flat washer.
So we're going to set up the 16 bolts and first with flat washers on them. So you just grab them, because I'm going to have to hold this bumper in place while you start all the bolts. We're going to do 1 bolt on each side so I don't have to hold
Right.
at first, and then we'll start them all together. We'll just do it all together because I'm going to have to lift and push and pull and pry in order to get this bumper to go in the spot. And so that's what has to happen. Is what you guys are going to see right now is Jen's going to be installing 8 bolts.
Wow.
32 washers and 8 nuts. So we're gonna install this bumper. Jen's gonna do it. I'm gonna hold the bumper in place for her. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make your lives not so miserable, and we're just gonna time lapse this. So,